In this video, I am going to talk about the next level of Copilot that got recently announced as a Microsoft Garage project. Today, we will see how we can add agent mode in our Excel. Alright, so first of all, let me show you how you can. For that, you need to go here in add-ins. And then now here you need to look for agent. So simply type here agent. And there you go. It says that Excel Labs Microsoft Garage project. So this is not a third-party plugin. It is more like Microsoft PC Manager or Microsoft Power Tools. Now let me click here on Add. And as soon as you click on Add, of course, it will be installed in your system. And there we go. We have successfully installed it. So if you are seeing this video right now, for the time being, this is only supported in Excel for Web. So let me open Excel for Web. And there we go. Let's click on create blank document. And now here we should be able to see it. So here what you see is Excel Lab is the one that we just installed. Now let me actually click on it. And now here you're gonna see this kind of interface, which eventually here you can see this Microsoft Excel Garage project not only comes with this agent mode, but also gonna give you option for creating, editing and reusing advanced Excel formulas. It also comes with this generative AI function and a Python editor. So really I would say a significant progress has been made to improve and make everything super easy with following option, which I would say is great to see. And as I was mentioning, the agent mode is a step further from just a general chat. It can actually help you to build and edit workbook automatically. And if you are not seeing it, you probably required Microsoft 365 license. Now, if you click here on learn more, here we can see who can access it right now. So it says that it is available in Excel for Web with a commercial Microsoft 365 Copilot license or Microsoft 365 premium subscription. So let me now go back here and click on open. And now let me ask agent mode a question. I want you to create dashboard of top 10 most powerful countries and also add 5 areas where they are really good at and 5 least areas to improve. So here I just wrote a prompt which says I want to create a dashboard of top 10 most powerful countries and also add 5 areas where they are really good at. Let's see if it able to create such dashboard. Let's see how it works. And as I said, this is much more powerful than a regular Copilot. So you will see everything is being compiled and made automatically. And the thing that make agent so different than Copilot is because agent is specialized and trained for Excel tasks. Unlike Copilot or ChatGPT, they are very general AI. As the information is becoming bigger and bigger, going specific can be really very hard for a single AI to take care of. And there we go. Here you can see the list of top 10 countries being populated, and still it is progressing. And there you go. Finally it settled down. We can see top 10 countries having following GDP numbers, especially in terms of nominal GDP. And then here we can see their military expenditure, tech index, diplomacy, GDP score, military score, tech score, and so on. Of course, this data is not exactly the one that I asked for, but you can further fine tune, refine by asking exactly the thing that you wanted to see. And if I go here down, I can also see the top 5 strengths and improvement that I was mentioning about being provided here. So this is what I got in just one prompt, guys. So isn't it cool, guys? I mean, of course I can further refine or fine tune it by again asking more questions, but so far so good, I would say. I am very satisfied with the kind of the answer it came up with. And then of course I can change the graphs. I can even ask AI to do it for me. So really I would say in terms of what you can do with Excel became even more powerful than before. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic Plus, as we keep on coming up with these kind of content that going to help you in elevating your office and productivity experience. So make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.